Oh, one thing that we do better than everyone, LTD, property group, one thing, I got like three that just popped in my head. All right, so one thing that we do better than anyone is influence our market. Something that I was just talking about with someone that we're doing some work with, Sharper Business Solutions. They're helping us create hiring processes and things like that. We noticed that we don't really have to spend a bunch of time on Indeed and ZipRecruiter, like posting jobs and looking through all the applicants and that sort of thing. And that's because we sort of have influenced our market over time. So we own the Fort Wayne Real Estate Investors Association, where we teach people how to get started in real estate for free. We also have produced a decent amount of social media, a decent amount of public relations type content. We're on commercials constantly. We have a lot of marketing out there. And I think just consistently doing the right thing, being somebody who's credible, who's helpful, and who everyone knows. I think we've done a really good job of being the authority in our market. I think that's where we shine. The best part of my job. The best part of my job. I think for me, I guess the best part of my job when I think about it comes from almost like it's not a good thing necessarily. I don't necessarily feel good about saying this when I say it, but it's sort of from like an insecurity standpoint. So I had a lot of jobs going from high school to college and then into the job world. I had like 14 different jobs before my business partner convinced me just to stop starting new jobs and to start working for the company and doing what I actually wanted to do. And having that, I feel like I get some respect that I didn't necessarily earn and like some credibility and some like just people around the office and that sort of thing. By like me being the boss, I get like these perks of being the boss, and that's that I get to work on high level problems, fixing things, coming up with creative solutions, get to do a lot of meetings, a lot of picking people's brains and ideation and coming up with what's next for the company. And in all of that, it just feels like I have a lot more control. It's not like somebody else is in control of what it is that I get to do on a normal basis. And that feels good. I like that.